Hi Jungle Room friends, it's Miss Sabrina, and I'm back with another really cool, simple craft. Since we're learning about metamorphosis this week and butterflies, we're gonna do another butterfly craft today. And if some of my friends go to after school, they know that Miss Sabrina loves to do one of these crafts all the time because all you need is a coffee filter and some markers and some water and pipe cleaners, and you can make really beautiful butterfly. But Miss Sabrina usually, you could do anything on a coffee filter. So you can make like monsters or a dog or a cat or an egg, whatever you would like. But this craft is, so for this craft, you guys will need a coffee filter. You could do this a bunch of times, but I have one. So one coffee filter, a paper plate that you're going to put your coffee filter on top so that you can color on top so you don't get the table messy. You are going to need markers, and make sure it's something that's like washable marker, not a permanent marker, because Miss Sabrina just tried with another marker that she had got, and it didn't work because it's more of a permanent marker. So when you spray the water on it, it doesn't really make the colors go together. So markers, paper plate, coffee filter, pipe cleaner of choice of your color. I chose white. And then you are going to need a spray bottle and fill it up with a little bit of water. But Miss Sabrina was looking everywhere in her house and I could not find a spray bottle. So I made a makeshift spray bottle. I got a water bottle. It's half empty. Half full, right? A little bit. And then I poked little tiny holes so that the water comes out. And not a lot all at once. So you don't want to completely saturate your coffee filter, but you want enough water to come out. So I'm going to tilt you guys down so you can see what I'm doing. So let's see. You are going to get your paper plate and put your coffee filter on top. Miss Sabrina chose the colors green and blue because I like those colors. And I'm just going to scribble. Make sure you do the whole entire coffee filter, okay? Make sure you get the whole thing filled with color. The more color, the better. You can scribble, you can, make little dots with little circles, make it fun. You can, go over the other color, like I'm mixing the blue and the green. You can make hearts, you can fill them in. You can write your name. I'm gonna write Miss Sabrina, put Miss at the top. You can make a big smiley face. But remember, it's flying away because my fan is on. Remember, the more you color, the better. So make sure you fill the whole paper up. Scribble. Whole paper. Now I'm going to go back in with some blue because I want to add some more blue. And by the way, you can use as many colors as you want. You could do a whole rainbow. You can use 7 colors, 8 colors, all of the colors. Or just 2, like Miss Sabrina. Or you have to use 2. Because if you use 1, it won't really blend the colors together. Because that's like the whole point of using it on a coffee filter and using water. So you need to pick at least 2 colors, okay? So make sure you use 2 colors. Then when you're done and you feel like you did enough and you colored everything, you're going to take your spray bottle, hopefully. But if not, you can make a makeshift water bottle like Miss Sabrina. And you're going to pour it on top. And as you do that, if you guys can see, my colors are starting to blend. So my green and my blue are starting to come together. And like I said, you do not need a lot of water. Don't saturate it because then it's gonna be too soggy and you're not gonna be able to finish the craft. And you don't want it to rip either because coffee filters are super thin. So like as you can see, it's blending together. So now if I pick it up, oh my God, it kind of looks like it disappeared, all the colors. But when it dries, it's going to look so beautiful. So this is what it looks like. So now what you need to do is put it on a separate plate and have it air dry. And I'm going to wait for this to air dry, and then I'm going to show you guys what the finished product looks like and what to do with the pipe cleaners. Okay, so now my coffee filter is dry. And I know it's kind of hard to see, but in person it looks really cool because it's like green and blue. It kind of looks like the globe. So you're going to place it on your table. Then you are going to get your pipe cleaner. Have that ready. So this is my pipe cleaner. You are going, when it's dry, completely dry, like I said, you guys could do this with multiple colors or just 2 colors. You can make a bunch of butterflies and hang them from your room. You can add, once it's dry, you can go back in and add a smiley face if you want. But this one I'm just going to leave. So then you're going to pinch, right? You're going to pinch it. So then it kind of looks like that. And it kind of looks like a butterfly already, right? With its wings. Going to pinch it in the center. Going to take your pipe cleaner. Make sure it's even. And then you are going to twist it. And twist it. And twist. Until you get the desired length of your butterfly's antennas. Make sure it's secured. Mine's still a little damp, but I just wanted to show you guys what it would look like. When it's completely dry, it'll be like paper again. And then that's your butterfly. See? And you could see the green and the blue that I did because those are my favorite colors. And it looks like a little butterfly. And you could play with it. You can make him flap around. You can hang him on your ceilings. You could put him on your doors, on your walls, whatever you want to do with it. So that's it. And how simple and easy was that? You guys can make a bunch of them. And then again, if you don't even, you want to do a butterfly and then you really like this craft, you can do, so many cool crafts with a coffee filter. You can make little monsters and you can glue eyes onto them. And with this one, if you write your name, don't be upset if when you pour the water, kind of like all the colors mixed together. So if you want at the end, you can get like a permanent marker, like Miss Sabrina has one right here, a Sharpie. And in the corner, once it's nice and dry, you can rewrite your name on it so that you know it's there. So I'm gonna put Sabrina. Okay, mine's really tiny and it's in the corner. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it on camera, but it's really tiny. So there you go, my friends. I hope you enjoyed. I love you guys. Have a good time doing this craft. And make sure you send us pictures because we would love to see it. Bye, Jungle Room friends.